I try to be a good person. I try to be a person of substance, character, and morals. But lately, me realize that on a step, I me feel like say, listen, don't you people realize I'm not the same Dwayne Fletcher who's come back out. Them days are done with. Done with. Me say me stronger than the rock of Gibraltar. I am stronger now than the rock of Gibraltar. Respectfully. Now put it in the pipe and smoke it. Anyways, guys, send this out as a warning. If I've got to come out tomorrow with more, I will do so. Darling, I don't do no phone funds. Listen, I told you I know who to call. I said, come on my yard. Come on my yard. Come on my yard. Where ball I go? Right, it's a girl. Right, it's a. Where ball I go? Listen, you people don't know me. Stop pretending like you know me. Because none of you don't know. None of you know me. You can assume though. Assume all you want. Who wants some in a wheelchair? Who wants some wear pampers? I could give a mama pussy wall. I could give 2 blood. I could care less. I know who I am. I know what I do and what I don't do. So who want to talk? Mouth me for chat anything. Mouth, teeth and tongue make for chat anything. You see how much, you see the mouth set sideways? You see it? Sideways. Mouth set sideways. Not straight, sideways. Make for chat anything. Nah, laugh. Mine, dash out the things and mine, dash out the things. This is a warning. This is a warning. Yo, she lady. I know for a fact you see I have a couple, several actually with your name in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got several. You see on this phone I'm doing my live on? Mount cut crossway. See him, sir, girl. See him, sir. See him, sir, Jacqueline. Mount cut crossway. Right, yes, sir. Yeah. Right, boss, wrong stuff. Right, boss, wrong stuff. And remember, I tell you, anything, people, this is a public service announcement. Before them dash out anything, if they have anything of substance, anything me say about anybody paya, I stand by it. And while I stand by it, them can go suck them ma. Them can go suck deepest. That. Anyway, you, she lady, one step in my can. One step in my can. I bet you ma fix your business. You want look apart? Why you want look apart? Why you want look apart? Let's look at toops. Why you want look at toops? Let's look at toops. One of them. Mo go want look. Why you want look at toops? Myself, why you want look at toops? One of them. Me I go want look at toops.
How was she say?
Alright, wanna hear that? That is just a look at tips of one of them. Understand? Go on, step of my can. I am no fool. Moving daily and soldier Fletcher narrates no fool. I'ma say anything me stand, anything me say. Hey, I can't know put out all the big stuff in this. You see how some of them pay I go on like say them my love moving a dirty puss. Excuse my language. Move for yourself. I'm not like nobody. The fun I use a pie. I can't want dash out pound. I've been minding my own business, drink. I've been minding on the business and drinking on the water. But if you go and play with me, no worry yourself. Just know say you want look at tops. You want look at tops of something, of substance. What you go want here? You miss dirty black screen girl. Be that man. You are a man. Now go and pay live. Go and pay live. Go have high blood pressure. Go on your live, go chat about me, become talk about it. When you call my name, when you call my name, you know, realize that your life pack up, you have to chat about me. I'm a big deal. I'm a big deal. Yeah, like a fish in a small pond, trying to stay afloat. You have to name out of the plank of them bat you all. And most definitely, Dana, you have to name out of them bat you all. Me, now look pan, not drunk upon you. Me done bust already. And who want support, support. Who don't want support, go suck and matter. Respectfully. Understand? Right there, so. Listen. Yes, a small fish in a big pan. Trying to stay afloat. Go and sit down. Go and sit down. Go and sit down. Put some respect on my, when you talk about me, put some respect on my name. Until you can come in the light, I am not going to talk enough. Listen. Who do you think you are? Who does any of you think you are? You know, realize you have to defend people. You have to defend from Dan. You have to defend them. You have, if you see any day you stop defending them, the people are gonna take next time and take with themselves for them. I'm gonna take with themselves one by one. Watch and see. If I'm like you better go find your damn self. Go find yourself. Hey, you guys are too funny. You guys are too funny. Oh my God. Listen, guys, I don't want to do this. I swear to God, I don't want to do this. But you see, if these people continue to step on my corn, I will be forced to come dash up on all of them. And trust me, ain't any day I come out, it's no going back. And I promise you, I did wise up. It's only because I wanted to keep the peace. I'm not gonna bed. You go on your bed. You go on your bed, darling. I'm good. You, like a fish. Small fry. I'm call it small fry. Go and sit down. Take your knife and fork. And continue feeding them out to the people and bat you all. Because that is the only thing you can do to stay relevant. That is the only thing you can do to stay relevant. You know, realize whether I'm on their status or not, me a big deal.